And if we move on to plot 24, and the winners are NJSR McLean Architects. Well done.
We believe that the Expo offered a unique opportunity to become involved in a development that had the potential to change Scotland's housing of the future. We were fortunate from the outset to be involved with Morrison Homes, who bought into the concept and encouraged us as architects to develop the house individual design. McLean Architects' design approach was to promote the concept of eco-minimalism by integrating sustainable design strategies, ecological materials and contemporary architecture, and avoid using tack-on technologies to keep the building simple, to have a simple adaptive layout that could change and depending on what the context or the different site conditions that the house could potentially be constructed on. Our idea was to not install wind turbines and photovoltaics, but to use strategies such as high levels of thermal insulation. For example, we've got 200 mil of sheep's wool insulation, which was locally sourced in the walls, and provides great levels of great thermal properties, and exceeds the standards set out in the current building regulations. We've used triple glazed timber framed windows in order to minimise heat loss through the building envelope. By taking this approach, by taking these steps, what we're doing is minimising the demand on the heating system within the building, which therefore reduces the associated carbon emissions. We arranged the plan in such a way that we have a central core which houses the staircase and the sanitary facilities, and then the living spaces and bedrooms are off of that central core. We wanted to have, for example, that white projecting lobby which was used to highlight the entrance and to break up the timber which we've used throughout the rest of the house. Back of the house got a garden which has been designed by Wayne Hemingway, and we were keen to extend the lounge space out onto a timber deck and into that garden space to extend the social space within the house. We believe that the design is has an adaptable floor plan which you could take to and use and mass produce on a housing development. The design that you see in front of you is semi-detached, but it'd be very easy to split that down the middle and have it as a single detached house and add on a second bedroom, etc. It's very exciting to finally see it come out of the ground, and in fact I find it very exciting to finally see it almost finished. It's been a lot of hard work over the last number of years, and at certain points it almost felt as if this point would never come. I think that the final product is what I wanted to see. McLean Architects and Morrison Homes developed a good working relationship throughout the process, which we believe resulted in a building that not only met the definitive competition brief, but also the aspirations of those involved.